Whether you are using automatic targeting or manual targeting, it is extremely important to monitor your advertising performance regularly. Since real money is being spent, you should always track which campaigns are generating the best return from your advertising budget. Amazon's search ranking system considers many factors when deciding where a product listing appears in search results. These factors include sales performance, conversion rate, listing relevance, and customer behavior. Advertising itself does not directly increase your organic ranking. However, it can indirectly improve ranking by generating sales and customer engagement. As your product starts generating more consistent sales, Amazon's algorithm may gradually begin showing your listing higher in organic search results. Over time, as your listing gains more reviews, stronger sales history, and better ranking, you may become less dependent on advertising and start receiving more organic orders from Amazon search results. When that happens, you can spend less money on advertisements while still receiving steady orders, which ultimately helps increase your overall profitability.